Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix VRR on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right, you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, in order to go to the VRR settings, go ahead and click on settings. Once you do that, right here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your device. Go ahead and click on screen and video. And then here you're gonna find video output, screen, and lastly BD and DVD. Go ahead and click on video output, and then here you're gonna find video output information, resolution and frequency, and here you're gonna find color. So right now, just go to resolution and frequency. First of all, make sure you click on resolution and select the highest resolution possible. Here you can test 1440p output, and here you're gonna find VRR, allow refresh rate to adjust in real time while using TVs and games that support VRR, which is variable refresh rate. Results will vary depending on the TV you're using. If you want to turn this option on, just click right here and then set it to automatic. And then if your TV supports VRR, you're gonna be able to turn it on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.